Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, as you know, that we were discussing page number, that is quiz yourself 1. Okay, so that we have discussed on page number 25. So in today's session we are going to discuss the next page number, that is page number 26, 26, that is let's dress up. Okay, the topic is given at page number 26 and the name of the topic is let's dress up. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 26, that is let's dress up. Let's dress up. Okay, this is the topic that we are going to start in today's session. Okay, and this is given at page number 26. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 26, that is let's dress up. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that what is the meaning of this topic? Let's dress up. इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, so the meaning of this topic is let's. Okay, मतलब इसमें ये नहीं कि हमें कपड़े पहनना सिखा रहे हैं. I think on this we will discuss about the various traditional. So we will discuss about the traditional costumes of the different people all around the world. Okay, you know, they are in this world there are number of countries. Okay, and every country has their own traditional, their cultures. Okay, they used to follow. Okay, and just like that they have some traditional clothes as well. उनके खुद के कुछ traditional clothes भी हैं. Okay, so in this we will discuss about all those traditional clothes of the different countries. Okay, so today there is a fancy dress party. People have come in traditional clothes of various countries. Okay, so here they have just given us a circumstance where they are showing that there is a fancy dress party. Okay, and the people they are wearing the traditional clothes of various countries. तो लोगों ने अलग अलग countries के traditional clothes पहने हुए हैं. Okay, so here the name of various traditional clothes are given and we have to find by कि मतलब हमें पूछना है मतलब they have just given the discussion had been made कि what is the traditional that dress of that particular country called. तो उस particular country की जो traditional dress है उसको क्या बोला जाता है. Okay, so this is the topic here. Okay, so here they have started with the first one, that is first of all they are talking about the country, that is Japan. Okay, so here they have given Rahman and Ria are dressed in Japanese kimonos. Okay, they are also wearing the traditional footwear Gita with split toe socks. Okay, so the first thing that they are telling us that the two person, that is Rahman and Ria, they are wearing ट्रेडिशनल जापनीज ड्रेस. तो वो एक ट्रेडिशनल जापनीज ड्रेस पहनी हुई है उन्होंने. ओके, एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट ट्रेडिशनल जापनीज ड्रेस इज किमोनो. सो किमोनो इज द ट्रेडिशनल जापनीज ड्रेस. ओके, एंड द फॉर्म ऑफ ड्रेस दैट दे आर वेयरिंग, तो उन्होंने किस तरह की ड्रेस है वो, जो वो ड्रेस पहनी है वो क्या है. ओके, सो ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ जापान इज किमोनोस. ओके, तो पहली चीज़ जो हमने यहाँ पे लिखी है दैट इज जापान. ये हमने नेम ऑफ द कंट्री, जापान की ड्रेस जो ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है उसको क्या बोला जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज किमोनोस. दैट इज नोन एज किमोनोस. सो किमोनोस इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ जापान. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट उन्होंने दिया है देयर. ओके, सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस इज दिस. दी किमोनो किस तरह की ड्रेस है. ओके, द ट्रेडिशनल फुट. ओके, तो ये देखिए दे एज यू कैन सी. ओके, सो दिस इज जस्ट लाइक अ गाउन दे बोथ आर वेयरिंग. Okay, so long gown. Okay, so this is an ankle. The woman is wearing an ankle length gown with a extended sleeves, whereas the man is wearing a skirt with a long jacket. Okay, and along with that they are also wearing the ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर. उन्होंने ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर भी पहने हुए हैं जिसको बोला था गीटा. ओके, तो गीटा इज द ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर ऑफ जापान. ओके, एंड दैट अलॉन्ग विद दैट फुटवेयर दे हैव वेयर अ सॉक्स. तो जो सॉक्स उन्हें पहनी है दैट इज अ स्प्लिट टोर सॉक्स. स्प्लिट टोर सॉक्स क्या होती है आपने देखा होगा, जिसको मोस्टली हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में इंडियंस भी कॉल इट एज जैसे लेडीज सॉक्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, जिसमें कि जो टो है, ओके, जो अंगूठा है वो अलग होता है जो सॉक्स के अंदर. ओके, सो देखा होगा मम्मी पहनती है मोस्टली. ओके, तो फुटवियर्स जो स्लीपर्स होते हैं उसमें भी लोग दे यूज टू वियर दिस स्प्लिट टो सॉक्स. Okay, so this is also one of the part. This is also the part of the one of the tradition. This is part of the traditional dress of Japan. Okay, so the traditional dress of Japan is kimonos. Okay. Next, moving next to the second one. Okay, so second picture they are explaining. Sheena and Meena are wearing cheongsams. Okay, so Sheena and Meena, they are wearing cheongsams, the traditional Chinese dress for women. Okay, it is a tight fitting dress with a high neck and a closed collar. Aren't they looking pretty? So the next dress they are talking about, that is the traditional dress of China. Okay, so the traditional dress of China is cheongsams. Okay, so this name is little bit in the Chinese version. This is the Chinese version is the cheongsam. Okay, so this is just like that. So Sheena and Meena are wearing cheongsams, which is the traditional dress of China. Okay, it is a tight fitting dress with a high neck and a closed collar. Okay, so the type of dress she is wearing, she is very tight fitting. तो वो बिल्कुल ही tight fitting की dress है. Okay, the dress is very fitted. Okay, properly fitting वाली dress है वो. Okay, आपने देखा होगा tight fitting. Okay, with a high neck and a closed collar. एंड इट हैज़ अ हाई नेक. उसकी नेक जो हाई नेक आप पहनते हो, हाई नेक होती है तब जिसका कि जो कपड़ा होता है वो ऊपर अब तक नेक तक होता है. नॉर्मली जो हम पहनते हैं वी हैव ओपन नेक्स लाइक दिस. ओके, बट हाई नेक होता है जहाँ पे हम एकदम देखा होगा आपने, जिसको हम हाई नेक ही बोलते हैं. तो उसमें क्या होता है, यहाँ तक जो कपड़ा होता है दैट ड्रेस इज नोन हाई नेक. सो जस्ट लाइक दिस cheongsam इज ऑल्सो अ हाई नेक ड्रेस विद अ टाइट फिटिंग. ओके, and closed collar, and the collars are also closed. Okay, aren't they looking pretty? So this is just a very traditional, beautiful traditional dress of China. Okay, so here I am writing China की traditional dress का नाम क्या है? The traditional dress of China is cheongsam. cheongsams. Cheongsam. So cheongsam is the traditional dress of China. So cheongsam is the traditional dress of China. देखिए Chinese and Koreans and the Japanese, हम इन तीनों में कंफ्यूज होते हैं, बट देखिए उनकी जो लैंग्वेज है दैट इज फार डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सेकेंड, so their dress, their traditional dress is also different from each other. Okay, so these are the two countries जिसकी हमने traditional dress mention की है. The first is Japan. Okay, so the traditional dress of Japan is kimonos, whereas the traditional dress of China is kimonos. Clear? चलिए next one. Okay, the third one is James and Jenny. So the third personality, the third person जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about James and Jenny. So these are the two persons. They have also participated in this fancy dress competition. And let's find out what kind of dress or the traditional dress of which country are they wearing. Okay, so James and Jenny are wearing the national dress of Scotland. Okay, so now they are wearing the James and Jenny. They are wearing the traditional dress of Scotland. James is wearing a knee-length kilt made of tartan. Okay, knee-length made of tartan. A woven cloth with a checked pants. Jenny is wearing a skirt and a shawl made of tartan. Okay, the both of them were wearing shoes called khile brogues. Okay, so देखिए the name of the traditional dress of Scotland is little bit divided to different part. Okay, so the common thing that I just find here, that they both are wearing the clothes or the traditional dress of Scotland that is made up of tartan cloth. The tartan is the kind of cloth, it's a variety of cloth. ये cloth की variety है या form है आप कह सकते हैं. Okay, so tartan is the variety of cloth, or you can say that variety of जिसको हम कहते हैं कि कपड़ा एक कपड़ा है, एक कपड़े का what we call it, किस्म है, ठीक है, काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ है. ओके, जैसे हम राइट ऑन दिस जैकेट इज मेड ऑफ सम अदर क्लोथ. ओके, दैन वुलन आई एम वेयरिंग. ओके, सो हियर आई एम पुटिंग द कॉटन. तो देखिए कॉटन, वुलन, सिल्क, जॉर्जेट, तो आपने सुना होगा. सो दीज आर ऑल द काइंड्स ऑफ क्लोथ. सो टार्टन इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ क्लॉथ. ओके, फ्रॉम विच जिसकी बनी हुई ड्रेस दिस जेम्स एंड द जेनी दे बोथ आर वेयरिंग. ओके, सो जेम्स एंड जेनी दे आर वेयरिंग द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ Scotland. Okay, so James, the boy, he is wearing a knee length, घुटने तक की आप देखिए इसको, that looks like a skirt but it is known as kilt. Okay, so it is known as kilt, जो कि टार्टन के कपड़े से बनी हुई है. Okay, and उसके अलावा उन्होंने woven means जो बुना हुआ जो बुनाई जिसको हम बोलते हैं woven. Okay, so बुना हुआ एक चेक बैंड भी पहना हुआ है. ओके, वेयर इज द गर्ल, शी इज वेयरिंग अ स्कर्ट एंड अ शॉल दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ टार्टन क्लॉथ. सो जेनी ने जो टार्टन के कपड़े की बनी हुई एक यू कैन से स्कर्ट एंड शॉल शी इज वेयरिंग. ओके, एंड दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ टार्टन क्लॉथ. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज जेनी. द बोथ ऑफ देम आर वेयरिंग शूज कॉल्ड गिले एंड ब्रॉग्स. Okay, so that the variety or you can say the shoe, as the shoes are also one of the very important part of the traditional dress, and they are wearing the this traditional shoe form. Okay, that these shoes are known as the ghile brogues. इन shoes को ghile brogues बोला जाता है. Okay, so this is they both are wearing the traditional dress of Scotland. So the third is that is the Scotland. So we are talking about the traditional dress of Scotland. Okay, so in which the man and the woman, they are wearing skirt. Okay, this is they just मतलब जैसे हम धोती कुर्ता उन्होंने अपने नाम दिया हुआ है. So they have not just given any just a particular name to it. जैसे cheongsam सब kimonos है, तो you can write it as, they had just named it as cloth made of, skirt and slit made of tartan. That is nilt and skirt and shawl made of tartan. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, this is the type of cloth they use for this making their traditional dress. Chalo, moving next to the fourth one. Okay, so the fourth picture, Misha and Manish are wearing the Korean dress. Okay, so देखिए अभी तक हमने Japanese, Chinese dress जो पढ़ी थी. Now we are talking about the Korean dress. Okay. Misha and Manish are wearing the Korean dress hanbok. So hanbok is the name of the traditional dress of Korea. तो जो कोरिया के जो लोग हैं जो ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस वो पहनते हैं उसका नाम क्या है, हैंबुक. ओके, Misha's hanbok is made of a long skirt called chima and a jacket called chogori. Okay, so this is the name that is given to the traditional dress. Okay, this is the traditional dress. So they have explained the upper and the bottom of the traditional dress of Korean girls or the women used to wear during the traditional fest or as a traditional dress. Next is Manish handbook includes loose fitting trousers called paji and a shirt and a jacket. Okay, so देखिए now the name they have given to this traditional dress of Korea. So the traditional dress of Korea is hanbok. तो first thing जो आपको इसमें याद रखनी है, traditional dress of Korea. Traditional dress of Korea is known as hanbok. So hanbok is the traditional dress of Korea. Okay, and in this handbook they have even segregated, इन्होंने जो मेन और वुमेन की ड्रेस को सेग्रीगेट किया है, अलग अलग डिफाइन किया है. सो देखिए जब द वुमेन ड्रेस दे आर हैविंग, जो वुमेन्स है दे व्हाट दे यूज टू वियर, सो दे यू इन दिस हैंडबुक द वुमेन्स दे वियर अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट. ठीक है, एक लंबी सी स्कर्ट पहनते हैं जिसको कि दे कॉल इट चीमा, एंड अ जैकेट, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो वेयरिंग अ जैकेट and they term it as chogori. So chogori they term for the term they use for this the jacket the women used to wear. Okay, इसके अलावा जो men हैं, the Korean men they used to wear loose pants, loose fitting की जो loose हल्की सी ढीली ढाली pants होती है जो वो पहनते हैं. Okay, जिसको कि they call it as paji. And whereas along with that at the bottom or at the top they wear shirt, एक वो shirt पहनते हैं जिसके ऊपर एक they also wear a jacket. And this is the dress of the, this is the traditional dress of the Korean what? Korean man. Okay, the paji they used to wear paji along with a shirt and a jacket. Whereas the women's they used to wear a long skirt that is known as chima, and along with that they also wear a jacket that is known as chogo. Okay, so hanbok is the traditional dress of Korea. Moving next to the next one, that is Indian. Now we are going to talk about the traditional dress of India, of our own country India. So Laila and Jahan are dressed in the traditional Indian clothes. Okay, Laila is wearing a sari and Jahan is wearing a kurta and a dhoti. Okay, so this is a very common point, you all must be aware of it. Okay, so in this they have just given, they have given are the pictures of the two persons. The girl name is Laila and the boy's name is Jahan. Okay, so where the girl who is wearing the traditional dress of India, okay, and as a traditional, we consider sari as the traditional dress of our country. जो साड़ी है उसको हम हमारे इंडिया की एक ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस कंसीडर करते हैं. Whereas the traditional so as a for the men, traditional dress of the men that we consider is that is dhoti and kurta. So dhoti and kurta is considered as the traditional dress for men in our country, and the traditional dress of the women in our country is sari. Clear? Okay, so India's is sari and dhoti kurta. That is the fifth one. India. The fifth is India. The traditional dress is sari and dhoti kurta for men. Dhoti kurta for men. Okay, so these are the traditional dress of other countries. Sorry, this is the traditional dress of our own country India. Clear? So देखिए अभी हमने 5 different countries की जो traditional dress है उसके बारे में बात की. The first was Japan. So the traditional dress of Japan is kimonos, whereas the traditional dress of China is cheongsam. Next is Scotland. So the traditional dress of Scotland. So they had not given any particular name to their traditional dress, whereas in their traditional dress they used to wear knit skirts and shawl that is made by tartan cloth. So the cloth that is used, mainly used for this making this traditional dress of Scotland is tartan. So tartan is a very important cloth that is used for making the traditional dress of this Scotland. Next is Korea. So the traditional dress of Korea is hanbok. So hanbok is the traditional dress of Korea, in which the women and the men and the women's dress are segregated. Okay, so the women's they used to wear a long skirts known as chima, whereas the and on the top they wear a jacket that is known as chogori, whereas the men they used to wear trousers as a bottom, wear loose pants trousers जिसको loose trousers, that is known as baji. And at the top they used to wear a shirt, तो वो एक shirt along with a jacket, long jacket. Okay, so these are the traditional dress of other countries. The next is the fifth one, that is the traditional dress of our own country India. So now we are talking about the traditional dress of our own country India. हमारी खुद इंडिया, हमारी खुद की कंट्री के जो लोग हैं, तो what traditional dress they used to wear. So the women's they used to wear, आपने देखा होगा, the teachers also used to wear साड़ी. और टीचर्स जगह आपकी मम्मी ने भी देखा होगा, तो जब कोई भी ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल होता है या शादी होती है घर में, या कोई भी ट्रेडिशनल ओकेजन पे, so your mothers, your sisters may also be, they love to wear sari. Okay, so this is just a tradition, this is a very beautiful traditional dress of our country. Whereas this dhoti is rarely you will find someone. तो देखिए जो पुराने दादाजी वगैरह है, mostly they used to wear this dhoti. Okay, and आज भी आपको even in the Banaras you can see many people that they were wearing this dhoti. Okay, उनको बहुत आपने धोती and along with कुर्ता, जो बहुत ही मतलब पुराने जो लोग हैं, जैसे पुराने लोग जो दादा जो वगैरह जो हैं, तो इवन माय जो हम क्या बोलेंगे, इवन माय बड़े पापा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, माय ताजी, ही ऑल्सो वियर्स दिस धोती एंड खुद कुर्ता, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो मतलब इन माई लाइफ टाइम आई हैव सीन हिम वेयरिंग दिस धोती कुर्ता ओनली, whether he wants to go any whether he wants to anywhere, whether he go to market only, he used to wear this dhoti and kurta. Okay, so these all are the tradition. This is a tradition of our country, and we must love our tradition because we have a unique tradition than all other countries. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 5. You can pause it and just revise it here. Okay, let's move to the sixth one. Now I'm moving to the sixth one. That is, the sixth is Russian. So now we will talk about the traditional dress of Russia. Okay, so the next dress form that we will discuss is the traditional dress of Russia. And you know the Russian girls, they are treated one of the they are termed as one of the very beautiful women in the world, because the Russian girls, they are very beautiful. Okay, so when they wear the traditional dress of their country, they look more beautiful than that. Okay, so here Neha is wearing a Russian sarafan. Okay, so the name of the traditional dress for the women of Russia is sarafan. Okay, she loves this long embroidery dress. She is also wearing a kokshik on her head and Russian footwear, valenki, which is made of wool. Okay, so this Russian dress, तो देखिए जो रशिया की जो girls हैं, okay, so they used to wear this traditional dress during their traditional fests or some traditional occasion like marriages and other things. Okay, so they used to wear this dress, and the traditional dress of Russia is sarafa. So sarafa is the traditional dress of Russia. Okay, so this is also divided into certain parts. Sarafa is also divided into certain parts. Okay, so first of all, the traditional dress of Russia is, sixth is, the country is Russia, and the traditional dress of Russia is Sarafa. S-A-R-E-F-A-N. That is Sarafa. Okay, so in this Sarafa, it is divided into some certain parts like this is a long embroidery dress. So this Sarafa is it is a long dress and have embroidery on it. और इसके ऊपर कुछ embroideries भी हैं. Okay, so it's a long dress with lots of embroidery on it. Embroidery समझते हो, तो धागे से जो कढ़ाई की जाती है, that is known as embroidery. Clear? She is also wearing a kokshnik on her head. उसने अपने सिर पे kokshnik, that is like a मुकुट, जिसको हम नॉर्मल वी कॉल इट एज मुकुट, बट दे टर्म वो एक्चुअली मुकुट नहीं है. सो जस्ट लाइक वेट वी, जब हम हेड एसेसरीज पहनते हैं, सो जस्ट लाइक दैट दे वियर दिस कोकोशनिक. ओके, दिस इज द हेड एसेसरी दे यूज टू वियर अलॉन्ग विद देयर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस. ओके, एंड रशियन फुटवेयर वेलेंकी. सो वेलेंकी इज द नेम ऑफ द फुटवेयर ऑफ रशियन ट्रेडिशन. तो रशिया की जो गर्ल्स हैं, पैरों में जो ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक वी यूज टू वेयर जुत्ती इन पंजाबी. ओके, एंड सैंडल खड़ाऊ भी जो होते, खड़ाऊ इज नॉट ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस, ओके। तो ऐसे ही जो रशियन गर्ल्स हैं इन द फुट एज अ फुटवियर दे वियर, फुटवियर में वो क्या पहनता है, वेलेंकी, ओके। एंड दैट वेलेंकी इज मेड ऑफ वूल, और वो ऊन का बना हुआ था उनको। दैट वेलेंकी इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ देयर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस, ओके। सो नेहा इज वेयरिंग अ रशियन सराफा, ओके, उसने एक रशियन सराफा पहना हुआ है। शी लव्स दिस लॉन्ग एम्ब्रॉयडरी ड्रेस, और उसको ये इसने एक लंबी सी एम्ब्रॉयडरी की ड्रेस पहनी हुई है। शी इज़ ऑल्सो वेयरिंग कोको स्नेक ऑन हर हेड, उसने अपने सिर के ऊपर एक कोको स्नेक पहना हुआ है, ओके, सिर के ऊपर, ओके। एंड उसके अलावा इन हर एज अ फुटवियर शी इज़ वेयरिंग अ वेलेंकी, तो उसने एक वेलेंकी भी पहना हुआ है इन हर एज अ फुटवियर, ओके। एंड दैट वेलेंकी इज मेड अप ऑफ वूल, और वो किस चीज़ का बना हुआ है, वूल का, ऊन का, okay. So that is the Russian dress, and the Russian dress is known as sarafa. So that what I am written, that is sarafa. Clear? Moving to the last one, that is the seventh one. The seventh picture is of the traditional dress of Saudi Arabia, okay. So here we will discuss about the traditional dress of Saudi Arabian people, men and women. उनकी जो traditional dress है हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। Hasina is wearing the traditional dress of Saudi Arabia called abaya. Hussein is wearing a thawb and a long dress till the ankle, okay, and he is also wearing a gutra and eagle on his head, okay. So देखिए जो वुमेन्स हैं, ओके, द वुमेन्स ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया, दे यूज टू वियर, दे कॉल इट एज अबाया, ओके, जिसको हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज है जो बुरका जिसको हम बोलते हैं, बट दैट इज अबाया, ओके। सो अबाया इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ द वुमेन्स ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया, जो सऊदी अरेबिया की जो वुमेन्स होती हैं, ओके, सो दे यूज टू वियर दिस अबाया एज अ ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस, okay. And whereas the men, so they use different, the men's they also wear a different traditional dress, okay. तो जो men's हैं वो तो पहनते हैं the thaw, a long dress till the ankle. So the dress they are wearing a thaw. The thaw is एक long side gown type, मतलब not gown, मतलब long सा कुर्ता है up to their ankles. This is of white color. white color का एक ankle length का, मतलब एकदम जो ankle है हमारी एड़ी तक, वहाँ तक की length का, they are wearing a long kurta type dress, and that is known as thaw, okay. A long dress to the ankle. He is also wearing a gutra, तो उसके अलावा उन्होंने एक गुटरा पहना हुआ है, and eagle on his head. गुटरा एंड ईगल, ईगल देखिए, गुटरा मीन्स जो व्हाइट रंग का कपड़ा जो उन्होंने पहना है, ईगल इज दैट ब्लैक कलर का जो उनके सिर पे बंधा हुआ है, दैट इज होल्डिंग दैट, जो गुटरा को जो होल्ड करता है, दैट इज गुटरा इज अ वाइट, यू कैन से जो व्हाइट कलर का उन्होंने सिर पे अपने कपड़ा लगाया, दैट इज अ गुटरा, एंड ईगल इज दैट ब्लैक बैंड दे आर वेयरिंग ऑन देयर हेड, okay. So this is the traditional dress of Saudi Arabia, okay. So these are the dresses that we have discussed about the different countries, okay. So first of, so just let me write it down, Saudi Arabia, okay. So these are the dresses of various countries, and the last is Saudi Arabia. So the women, they used to wear abaya, A-B-A-Y-A, that is abaya, whereas the men are wearing gutra and eagle. They are wearing gutra and I-G-A-L. The eagle, cheat wali eagle, that is I-G-A-L, eagle. Okay, so these are the various dresses. In this topic, we have discussed about the various traditional dresses of the various countries, that the people in that countries, they used to wear these dresses while celebrating their some traditional fests, or कोई फेस्टिवल फेस्ट या कोई भी ट्रेडिशनल ओकेजन पे, they used to wear these their traditional dresses, okay. So this was from page number 26. Let's dress up. So in tomorrow's session we will start with page number 28, that is States of India, okay. And one important thing that you kindly revise, you all will get all the, आप सबको जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं फ्रॉम 1 to 9 यूनिट्स हैं, दैट विल कम इन योर एग्जाम, सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट एज वेल, ओके. Okay class, so this was our today's session. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So class, I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.